It's a drastic difference with the RAS system on the truck. Because we only use F-150s, 1500 series trucks, it puts a lot of weight in the bed. It causes a lot of squat and a lot of swaying, and that's where this suspension system helps. It's a drastic difference. It's a lot smoother, a lot stiffer in a good way. The guys, are able to control the truck really well. The RoadActive suspension system really helps the guys feel more stable, gives them better driving conditions, and they can just drive it like a normal truck again.